Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the device and initiating the update. First, charge to 50% or more and join a reliable Wi-Fi network to avoid interruptions. Next, back up essential data, photos, contacts, and app settings so you can restore if anything fails. Then check storage and clear space so the package can download. Once done, open Settings, navigate to System Advanced System Update, and tap Check for updates to fetch Android 11. After locating the Android 11 update, review its size and the brief changelog so you know what changes to expect. If it's large, confirm Wi-Fi only, then tap Download. Make sure battery saver is off and the device stays plugged in. Installation requires power and may reboot. The system will verify the package. When verification finishes, choose to install now or schedule a convenient time. The phone will reboot into recovery, apply the update, and restart into Android 11 when complete. Once the device restarts, complete any setup prompts and sign into your accounts. Apps may request permission updates. Grant what's necessary for functionality. Make sure to check Play Store for app updates and monitor battery and performance for a day. If you encounter crashes or slowness, clear the cache partition or reinstall the update. This often resolves leftover conflicts. If the phone fails to boot, boot to recovery and consider a factory reset only after confirming you have a recent backup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.